If you've never seen this lizard before, get ready to be amazed. This is the Argus monitor. And no, it's not dangerous. It's just super cool. Before we tell you what makes it one of the most unique reptiles in the world, if you think this baby lizard is adorable, like and subscribe. If you don't, well, that probably means you hate awesome animals. Comment a lizard if you love reptiles. So what's the deal with the Argus monitor? These guys are yellow-spotted legends with a wild talent. They can stand up like a tripod on their tail and legs to look around. Males are way bigger than females, and they've got an incredible sense of smell too. Nature seriously outdid itself with this one.